Orangie Cat had her babies. The 18th of March. Yeah. She's out there eating. She does not want to be bothered by the likes of me. Orangie Cat. Don't even know your name, do you? Let's see if I can sneak out there. It's all right. It's okay. Come on, you can go to eating. No, she ain't gonna let me. Let her eat. Babies are hollering. Kittens wanting out. And she came back. I gave her some condensed milk. Looks like she's trying to eat as fast as possible, wanting to get back to her babies. Orangie Cat. Yeah. I don't know if this is the daddy or not. Kitten, what are you doing? We'll go back and see if we can hear the babies again. They're right here in a little niche that was built right outside there. I tried to go out there yesterday, and then I got to thinking, oh, Mama might want to start moving them, and I didn't want her to do that. Didn't want to upset her. Okay then. I don't know why everything was sideways. I'll try to do better next time.